Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply tagging within your InDesign documents to ensure the exported PDF is structured properly for screen readers and assistive technologies. Before we start, it's important to set up your InDesign document properly. Always use paragraph styles for text and tag elements correctly. This will save you a lot of time later. Now let's talk about headings and body text. Always use paragraph styles instead of manually formatting text. Here's how. Open the paragraph styles, go to Window, Styles, Paragraph Styles. Create styles for your headings and body text. Assign export tags to these styles by right-clicking the style, selecting Edit, going to Export Tagging, and mapping it to the correct tag, like H1, H2, H3, and P for paragraphs. This ensures screen readers recognize your headings and structure properly. If you use lists, structure them properly so they are recognized in accessible PDFs. Use the bulleted or numbered list feature instead of typing dashes manually. Assign an appropriate paragraph style to lists. Go in to edit the bullet list paragraph style. Click on Export Tagging. Under PDF Tag, leave Automatic. This ensures assistive technologies can interpret your lists correctly. Tables need proper tagging to be read correctly by screen readers. Here's how. Using the text tool, select your table's header row. Go to the table menu and select Convert Rows to Header. This ensures tables are structured logically in the final PDF. Depending on the complexity of your tables, these tags can be fine-tuned in Acrobat's Tags panel after export. Next, let's add alternative text or alt text to the images. This helps visually impaired users understand what the image represents. Select an image, go to Object, Object Export Options. In the Alt Text tab, select Custom from the drop-down menu and type in a short but descriptive explanation of the image. Click Done. Now this image will be read correctly by assistive technology. If you have decorative images or background elements that don't need to be read, mark them as artifacts. Select the element, go to Object, Object Export Options. Under the Tagged PDF tab, check Artifact. This prevents screen readers from picking up unnecessary visuals. And that's it. By following these steps, you can ensure your headings, paragraphs, tables, and images are tagged and fully accessible. In my next video, I'll show you how to ensure the correct reading order by using the Articles panel for accessibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more InDesign and accessibility tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.